Hello everyone, this day we're going to talk about an activity. My name is Vilma Lopez, which are with us an activity to develop in English. My partner and me we're going to present different elements in this activity. It's very important give clear instruction to a student because they learn a new language and need give slow its instruction to students because they don't have uh, a good comprehension in this moment. Not all students learn in the equal form because there are different intelligence. This is the reason for teachers use different activities to teach another language. The topic for this day is job and occupation. And this topic, students learn some vocabulary related to job and occupation. For example, farmer, nurse, doctor, shoemaker, astronaut, and other. Okay. The level for this activity is basic level because only students learn a few vocabulary related to job and occupation, and they make a short sentence and share with her or his partner to students have a better comprehension related this vocabulary and the appropriate of my vocabulary related to this topic. A name for this activity is talking about jobs and occupation. And this moment, a student with this activity, a student share about different job and occupation and ask to other partner what is your occupation. Can be invented because they are a student, but important in this activity is that a student talk and practice this vocabulary related a job and occupation. And instruction. Teacher present topic that is job and occupation. And after that, teacher asks to student, what do you do? A student answer, any job or occupation. For example, can be nurse, teacher, student, any other job or occupation. And after that, teacher present a topic and say to student, watch the video and listen please. When video finish, teacher give instruction for student make a group. Teacher say, student make group for first student please, and talk about job and occupation. And the question for this activity is what does he do, or what does she do, what does she do, or can be what do you do. And a student talk for 5 minutes about different job and occupation. Teacher give a example about activity. For example, teachers make a next question. What does he do? And show a picture, and a student answer, he is a farmer. And the student continue with this activity. When activity have finished, a teacher asks some question to the student and select any student of class and ask the next question. For example, what does she do? Teacher show a picture and a student give answers about what is job for this picture. After, a teacher select other student and make other question. What do you do? And student assume that he or her is the picture and give an answer about this picture. A teacher continue ask and show other picture to know if a student learning vocabulary related to topic. Well, this is my participation, and my partner continue from the other element of this activity. Thank you for watching.